Finding winning dropshipping products is important, but finding the actual ads that make these products go viral, that's where the real money is made. Because the truth is, most beginners lose money not because the product is bad, but because the marketing simply doesn't work. So, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find viral dropshipping ads in 2026, even if you're a complete beginner. You'll learn how to identify ads with high return on investment, how to spot products that are worth testing, how to shorten your testing phase dramatically, and how to model proven strategies instead of guessing. And the best part, most of the ads we're going to review are actually very simple to recreate. No huge production budget needed. So if you want to stop wasting money on random product testing and start learning how successful dropshippers really find winning ads, make sure to watch this video until the end. So let's start by understanding why it's actually strategic to look for viral dropshipping ads. And honestly, there are a few major benefits of doing that. First, you can pinpoint products that are already performing well with paid ads and identify the exact ads that are making them profitable. Second, you can save money, and in some cases, a lot of it, by already knowing what has a high chance of working before spending money on testing. Third, you can significantly shorten the product testing phase because instead of starting completely from scratch, you already have a working formula that you can replicate or even improve further. Because at the end of the day, not every product is a good fit for paid ads, and knowing what already works is a huge advantage. Now, we need to ask ourselves, what is the best way to find these viral ads and the products connected to them? And for this, you can use a new tool that was recently added to Zeek, the Ads Spy tool. This tool allows you to discover all kinds of ads currently running on Meta. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to identify the top 1% of these ads that are not only selling well, but are also easy to recreate yourself. Because let's be honest, if we had the production and marketing budget of huge leading brands, I'm sure we could all recreate amazing campaigns. But for beginners, it's very important to focus on ads that are actually achievable to produce. Simple ads that still generate strong results. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to find. So here inside the Ads Spy, I'll add a simple filtration setup. For the e-commerce channel, I'll choose all, so we can get a wider view of the ads. And because I want to see only product ads and not services under the CTA button selection, I'll select Buy Now, Shop Now. Now for the ad duration, I'll choose at least 1 year duration, and I'll explain why in a second. Now, if you already have a specific niche you're selling in, you can simply type the niche name into the keywords section and you'll get ads related to that niche. But because I'm going broad in this example, I'll leave it open for now. Okay, let's click Search Ads. Okay, so now we have many good ads in front of us. But here's the most important thing to remember when it comes to identifying strong ads. If an ad stays active for a long time, that usually signals a high return on investment. Because if the ad wasn't profitable, the store would most likely stop running it. So under the creation date, I'll sort the ads from oldest to newest to spot these opportunities. Okay, now let's review some ads. The idea here is to look for relatively simple products with simple creatives. So here, for example, I found this shower head product. And when I open the ad, I can see that this ad has been running for 44 days, which is already far beyond the normal testing phase. That means the store is likely keeping it active because it's performing well. Now let's open the ad details. I can see this specific ad is targeting the United Kingdom. And take into consideration that if a store is sourcing from international suppliers like AliExpress, they probably have additional ads targeting other countries as well. Now, when I click to view the ad directly from Meta, I can immediately see that the creative itself is very easy to produce. I mean, look at this. The ad simply shows the product in action and demonstrates how it turns the water stream into a much stronger one while also highlighting the filter feature inside the shower head. So the creative is definitely achievable to recreate, and honestly, I personally like it. Now let's explore the copy of the ad. I can see it's very straightforward. Obsessed with these filtered shower heads? Simple but effective. And the CTA section? I can see something really smart that can help sell this product. Buy one, get one free. Shower head today. This is a very strong call to action because it creates urgency and makes buyers feel that if they don't buy now, they might miss the deal and pay much more later. And honestly, this is the type of product where an offer like this makes perfect sense, especially these days where even smaller apartments often have more than one shower. So from my point of view, we definitely found here both a winning ad and a winning product idea. Now, the only thing left is to check if we can source this exact product from a supplier with a strong profit margin. So now to complete the puzzle, we need to understand whether this product can be sourced at a good price. Ideally, one that leaves us with a 50 to 70% profit margin. To source the product, you can simply go back to Zeek Ad Spy and click on Find a Supplier, or simply use your preferred supplier and search for the main product keywords. In my case, I prefer working with AliExpress because of its wide product selection, competitive pricing, and solid quality. So here on AliExpress, I'll type the product name, in this case, filtered shower head, and hit search. All right, we've got some results. So let's go with this one. Now I can see that this exact product, including 5 filters, 1 hanger, and a shower hose, can be sourced from AliExpress for $13.58 without any discounts. Meanwhile, the same product with the same accessories is being sold for $59.99 in a dropshipping store that is already successfully selling it. I also noticed that the store offers only 3 filters while we found an option with 5 filters. That means we can match and even improve their offer, giving customers better value based on what's already proven to work. Now let's talk numbers. The store is selling a bundle of 2 units for $59.99. If we source each unit for $13.58, the total cost for 2 units is $27.16. That means if we sell at $59.99, we're looking at around $30 in profit, which is over a 50% profit margin. Guys, this is an amazing find. A product that's already performing well with paid ads, has high demand, and gives us a strong foundation to market effectively. Okay, so before we continue, if you're enjoying this video so far and finding it helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you could give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. We are getting very close to reaching 100,000 subscribers and would really love your help getting there. And if you want to use the same tools I'm using in this video, including the Ads Spy tool, you can start using Zeek Analytics today. Okay, so now another step I highly recommend doing is checking what other ads you can find from the same advertiser. And this is very strategic because you can uncover even more winning ads and create ideas to promote the same product based on what is already working. Not only that, you can also discover related products or products from the same niche, which is an amazing way to expand your business smartly using paid ads. So what I'll do is copy the advertiser's name. In this case, the advertiser is called Clover and Clove. Now I'll click to see some more ads from this advertiser. And wow, can you see this? We just uncovered 5 additional paid ads that we can take creative inspiration from, analyze their targeting countries, and understand their marketing approach even better. But more importantly, I can already spot a pattern here. Almost all the ads are promoting a buy one, get one offer. And guys, this is pure gold. Just imagine how much time this store probably spent testing different offers and CTAs until they discovered that buy one, get one angle converts the best. And that's the beautiful thing about doing paid ads research. We dramatically reduce the testing phase and can immediately apply strategies that are already proven to work. Another thing that helps me find more countries to target with paid ads is understanding where the traffic of a similar successful store is coming from. And from this, you can use the free Similar Web Chrome extension. Once you download it, you can open it while visiting the store you want to analyze. From there, you'll be able to see the overall traffic of the store. And in this case, we're talking about around 80,000 to 100,000 monthly visitors. So this store is definitely doing something right. Now, if you're planning to use Google Ads, another great thing you can see is the top keywords this store is ranking and getting traffic for. That means you can target similar keywords yourself and enjoy highly targeted traffic as well. But what I personally like the most for product targeting is understanding which countries the traffic is coming from. So if I scroll down a bit, there you go. Now you have a full analysis of the top countries visiting the store, and I can use this data to focus my paid ads targeting on countries that are already proven to convert well for this niche and product. Okay, so now that we found more winning ads from the store, now the last thing we can do is uncover hidden data that Shopify doesn't publicly share, so we can better understand how to replicate the success of this store. For this, I can click Analyze Store. Now, if this store already exists in the Zeek database, we'll instantly get access to up-to-date data about it. And if not, Zeek will start collecting data from the moment you add the store, allowing you to track its performance over time. So in this case, I can see that the store is already being tracked inside the Zeek database, which means we can already reveal some valuable insights that can help us replicate its success. First, I can see which Shopify apps the store is using. So if there's a feature or function in the store that I really like, I can easily understand which app they're using to create it. I can also see the overall success of the store itself. And as we can see here, this store managed to generate almost $18,000 in sales, which is definitely very solid. On top of that, I can also see the best-selling products inside the store, which gives us even more product ideas and insights into what's currently working for them. So, as you can see, finding viral dropshipping ads is not about luck, it's about understanding the patterns behind what's already working. By analyzing ads that stay active for long periods, studying their creatives, offers, targeting strategies, and sourcing profitability, you can dramatically increase your chances of launching successful campaigns yourself. And honestly, one of the biggest advantages here is that you don't need to reinvent the wheel. You can learn directly from ads and stores that are already generating real sales and use that data to build smarter campaigns from day one. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more dropshipping strategy videos like this one. And if you want to use the same tools I used throughout this video, including Ad Spy and more, you can start using Zeek Analytics today. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you next time.